Dear students, how are you? Hopefully you all are doing well. This is Amit Shah, lecturer, Department of Mathematics, Milestone College. Today we are going to discuss about chapter 9F. Especially we are talking about some mathematical problem in this chapter. This chapter plays a very vital role if we are talking about that differentiation with respect to which variable on that part. Hopefully, if you focus this lecture very attentively, you will be very benefited. Let's have a look our today's class. So dear students, according to our lesson plan, today our discussion topic is 9F. And in this lecture, we will just focus on some mathematical problem. Here, our first problem is example 2, that is tan y equal 2t divided by 1 minus t square and sin x equal 2t divided by 1 minus 1 plus t square. Determine dy by dx with respect to t. It's a very important thing. With respect to t, we have to determine with respect to t how we can go for it. Okay, the solution procedure should be, here is given tan y equal to 2t divided by something. So write it down what is given. Tan y equal 2t divided by 1 minus t square. So y is tan inverse 2t 1 minus t square. Dear students, in our trigonometric section, when we are talking about some formulas, there I was talking about tan inverse 2t divided by 1 minus t square is nothing but the what's the formula of that? Tan inverse t. The formula of that is 2 tan inverse t. 2 tan inverse t. But when if it is sin inverse 2t divided by 1 plus t square, that should be 2 tan inverse t again. So now let's have a look at next part. That is, again we have given something, sin x equal 2t divided by 1 plus t square, and x should be sin inverse that. So 2t divided by 1 plus t square. So here, my dear students, I have already told you, when it was tan inverse and if it is 1 minus t square, we will get 2 tan inverse that. But if it is sin inverse and this, we will get the same thing back, that is 2 tan inverse x. So here, if we take or give the equation number 1 and it is 2, that from 1 and 2 we can say x and y are equal. What? From 1 and 2 we can say y is equals to x. Here the question says we have to find dy by dx with respect to t. So if we differentiate this equation with respect to t, that means d dt of y d dt of x. That means dy by dt equal dx by dt. And from here, what we can write actually? We can write very easily dy by dx is equals to, dt should be going there, dt by dt. That means 1. So our dy by dx is equals to actually 1, and that's the answer. So dy by dx is 1 because we have actually equating or differentiating with respect to t. So you have to go a side note, that is differentiating both sides with respect to t. Okay, so dear students, I think we can get our answer very easily. Okay, Now let's move on to our next math. So dear students, this is our second question, and this question says find dy by dx from x to the power y equal to y to the power x. So this equation is given. We have to find the value of dy by dx. How we can go for it? Okay, let's have a look of the solution of this math. Okay, what is our given equation? X to the power y equal y to the power x. If we have these types of exponential equation, mind it, my dear students, if we have these types of exponential equation, we always think about we have to take ln for the both side. That means we will have take ln for the both side. Okay, what we can write? Y ln x, x ln y. Now we have to go for the differentiation for both sides with respect to exactly x. So if we are going for the differentiation with respect to x for the both side, then we have to assume it as u, and this is v, this is u, this is v. What is the formula of that? ddx of uv should be u ddx of v plus v ddx of u. We have a formula like this. Just we'll use that formula in here. Then what we will get? U ddx of v plus v ddx of u. Here similarly u ddx of v plus v ddx of u. So if we differentiate this, y will be remain the same, but ln x will given the value of 1x. So ln x into dy by dx. Here we have found that ddx of ln y. What does ddx of ln y means? That means we have to consider ln y as ln x first. So what is the formula for ddx of ln x? That must be 1 by x. So here 1 by y. Since y is not that, so dx of y plus ln y into ddx of x, that is 1. So here y by x plus ln x into dy by dx equal x by y dy by dx plus ln y. So here we have observed that here is the part where dy by dx is there, and this is the part where dy by dx is here. Just take these two parts at the one side, then what will get? Bas, like this. Now dy by dx should be taken as common. If we take common dy by dx, then what we'll get? Ln x minus not 1 actually, ln x minus x by y equal to ln 1 minus y by x. Now I will erase this part, then calculate it from the top part. Okay, so here our last line was dy by dx into this and this. Then we can write dy by dx equal, actually from here to here we'll go for a LCM first here, then y, it will be y ln x minus x, and here the LCM should be x ln y minus y. Now our dy by dx should be what? X ln y minus y into y divided by x into y ln x minus x. So what should be the answer of it? It should be like this: y x ln y minus y x y ln x minus x. So that's our required answer. So we should have to write that this is the required answer. So clear? Okay, let's have a look our next and the last math for this lecture. Okay, so here our final question number actually 15, and this question says find similar thing, that is dy by dx from a given equation ln xy equal to x plus y. Okay, how we can solve these types of problem? Let's have a look. So our solution thing first. Here is given something, the given equation is what? Ln xy equal x plus y. Differentiate this with respect to x, what we'll get then? That means we are trying to focus on ddx of ln of xy equal ddx of x plus y. You can also give a side note that differentiate both sides with respect to x. Okay, then dear students, I have already told you that we have to assume this part as x, so ln x. What's the formula for ddx of ln x? Definitely 1 by x. Okay, write it down, 1 by x. Since xy is not the genuine x, that's why you have to differentiate it again. ddx of ln x means 1 by x and xy equal to ddx of x ddx of y. Okay, so here two things at a time. We have to consider x as u, y as v. So what will be the formula? Should be u ddx of v plus v ddx of u equal to 1 plus dy by dx. Then here we can write that 1 by xy into x into dy by dx plus 1 by xy into y, because dx by dx is nothing but the 1 plus dy by dx. Then here we have observed that x has cancelled. Then here 1 by y into dy by dx plus 1 by x, 1 plus dy by dx. Just here two things. Here is the part where dy by dx is there, and here is the part where dy by dx is there. Just take these two part at the one side, then what will get? 1 by y dy by dx minus dy by dx is equals to 1 minus 1 by x. Just take dy by dx common from the left side. Then what will get actually? So here we are trying to focus on taking dy by dx as common. So dy by dx should be what? 1 by y minus 1. 1 by y minus 1. What we have been actually doing from this line to that line, equal to 1 minus 1 by x. Now going for the LCM. If we LCM this part, then what will get? Here is y, then it should 1 minus 1 by y, and this should be x, so x minus 1, and we'll get dy by dx equal y into x minus y divided by x into 1 minus y. Okay, so we have found our final answer by this way. So here dy by dx is y into x minus 1 divided by x into 1 minus y. That's our required answer. So dear students, that's how we can solve this size of map very easily. Okay. So dear students, that's our last math for our today's class. Here our question says find dy by dx from the given equation x plus y equal xy square. How we can solve these types of math? Let's have a look. So solution of the math should be given x plus y is equals to xy square. So we have to differentiate this part with respect to x, since we have to find dy by dx. So first of all, d dx that means we have differentiate both sides with respect to x. We can give a side note too, that differentiate both sides with respect to x. Okay, now d dx of u plus v, that is d dx of u plus d dx of v equal to, here actually not u plus v, rather it should be u v. And what's the formula of it? I think you have already known the formula, that is u d dx of v plus v d dx of u. So we'll get 1 plus dy by dx equal to x into 2y into dy by dx. Why? Because here we have think that x to the power n equal n into x to the power n minus 1. That is y are thinking as x, that's why x, I mean n, that is 2 into y to the power 2 minus 1, that is 1. Since y is not originally x, that's why dy by dx. And here we have found y square. So now what we can write from here? We can write here that dy by dx and dy by dx, these two parts are there. So take these two parts at the one side. Y square minus 1. So dy by dx should be 1 by 2xy equal to y square minus 1. So obviously dy by dx is equals to y square minus 1 divided by 1 minus 2xy. Okay, and that's our answer. So dear students, that's the end of our today's class. Hopefully this lecture will be very beneficial for you. If any problem in any time, don't hesitate to call us, contact us. Thank you.